fourth grade ekta duita boss olaite UDB departmental conduct kuri ase and very soon ami hisabte bishi saal noi gana even that fourth grade beyond jugile post be under NSSP purview to aija bute ite laga dunia to competitive hoi jaise te my dear youngsters my dear students aji kale laga dunia to ami kan compete kuri gane paribo laga dunia ta ase sabi aji kobo kole ami kan sata phai ko ase we students sata phai ko politically socially educationally we can also compete the other tribes the Naka tribes ami kan compete kurule pare hoile be ami kan laga aji backwardness to ki ase ami kan udo identify kura nai dai aji da ami kan backward ho to ki kani ase udo ami kan aji tak pucha nai number 1 ami la hisabte ki bra ase ami kan majate jealousy ami kan majate selfishness hatred udo thaki dai ekta ola pal leader ola ase ekta ola pal KCD officers ola ase kole to suku jula bachi tagi kina ka dalagan dia kota dalaga tadi kina ka turibo ami kan la mentality ami kan la concept udo ase de aro ola pal dunia manu bra Eastern manu bra kaum bra manu leader phal ola ase jat bra kaum bra manu leader phal ola ase phal officers ola ase kole dar logode attitude problem hoi jay dar logode bhutani ekta hoi jay nijor jat bauri jay nijor manu bauri jay ami kan laga ENP area ami kan laga aji laga Swedish kututa ase number 3 de ami kan laga koile di phal bi ase biya bi thaki hole bi aji ami kan Eastern manu kan bra for example yati politician kan bi boigena ase yati leaders kan YDC kan ENP leaders kan bi boigena ase biya hi na sabina dar laga phal koile di out of 60 tuila to phal koile di thake bole ke udu phal koile di to ami kan thuri kana we should learn how to adapt ha American, we have to encourage. American encourage kurubole chani bolaki. Advice dibole chani bolaki. Number 4, American laga, Eastern laga, American laga sata bhai ko ke majate. Ism bishine ki jat. Ami jungre se, ami kyungre se, ami kifure se. Koina American jat ekdam sabachi de kete. Udu jat glanism sabra. Aji ami kan manu ki compete kuro na pare manu logo kitab na pare udubra ami kan laga society to niche jaye aise age jano de na aji ami kan 75 years platinum jubilee celebrate kures yati YDC ba lage na yati yimkyung like minded leaders officers kan I mean aji laga 75 years platinum jubilee de let's try to adopt one resolution in our mind. Ekta resolution adopt kurubo takan. Utubra. American 7 brothers nimide. I urge our Yimkyung brothers and sisters, starting from YDC, to be a torch bearer, to eradicate the tribalistic issues, to eradicate isms, to eradicate jealousy, hatred. Kurigana apnikan torch bearer hoigana apnikan age jaisu bolito. Kali shata Choida bhai koka brabi apnan laga example to saigana amikan bi manu logo de advance kan logo de ekta berer de jabu na ki koina udu kota ola koi dia ase lastly yadi ami yimkyung brothers and sisters logo gobule mon chadu ase ami to ekta jat lagai leader no ite ami kan Eastern laga Chang hobi, Sangdam hobi, Yamchung hobi, Kemyungan hobi, Pom hobi, Dikir hobi. Sub chat laga ami ekta leader ase. Utubra. Kali. I bole jinde. Apne laga kibat grievances ase. Apne laga kibat duk ase. Bole to. Iku be incident no hobi. My door will be open for you 24/7. Apne nimide. Ki problems ase. Ami khara guri debo. Ami para de. Ami khara guri debo de. Koina. Udibe. Lastly, let us celebrate this 75 years platinum jubilee to bring changes. Thank you. Long live YDC.
Thank you, sir. We are so proud to have such a dynamic and strong leader, a leader who can be looked up upon, and an exemplary leader for the Eastern Nagas. Thank you also for the assurance given to us. Thank you, sir, once again. God bless your leadership. A gentle reminder to each and every one of us here tonight. Who would have thought that this historic moment would happen in your time while you are the minister of the state, while you are the advisor of the state, while you are the MLA of the state, while you are the president or the leader of various organizations, officers, or an intellectual of the society. But it is because of the goodness of the Lord that we are here tonight. Isa yimkhyung miserable, limberable, share na thakok palakya, isa share na share lamba malakya, isa kimching, hadar atong do munchi, at sadak munchi kalang, tenjiwa de isa na share malam, de share hara ala, isa kimching, isa amuro, isa na takoki, isa na shimokoki, kim kalang ching tenji shikiju, ha ala chumbuziki hodana, jumona, isa kim gisha chumbu mamia ba, de she, isa shimo, ato anini ala ching chumbo akushi de isa tasho isa trikshi hachak na atzibe guhi ching chumbo na limbeba. God bless YTC. 100 years celebrate sichogi modoklod lang isa miserable mungalim guki isa na chumbo mungshi de langki bo ala na lamde de sho kutzap kyang de la na de jushe tayo gam kya shijo. Now, vote of thanks will be pronounced by Shri S. Jiva, General Secretary, YTC. Sir, you may kindly take your time.
Thank you, chairpersons of the night, valedictory function, Shri Madi Rutsan Bitsadong. Most respected, our special guest, Shri B. Bashangmongba Chang, Honorable Minister PWD Housing and Mechanical. We are very much thankful to you in spite of your heavy schedule. You have been here, you have been shared all the very good words. Thank you so much, sir, for your presence here. We are also thankful for the invocation prayer, Dr. Asant Buster Yimkhiung Tribal Council for invocation. Welcome address. Thank you, Mr. Makezo, Executive Chairman, for that welcome address. Special song by Sarabdi Ethnic Harmony. Thank you, Sir Shri Chingyak Khongyak, NCS, for the greetings and the word of encouragement you have shared with us tonight. Thank you, Shri Honorable Advisor S. Kishumu Yimkhiung, Fire and Emergency Service, Home Guard, and Relief and Rehabilitation, for the beautiful speech and word of encouragement. Thank you once again, our special guest, for your presence. And us individually, I could not thank all of you, but organization-wise, I would like to thank some of the very important organizations and individuals who have played very important role in the success of this program. Invitees